Hi members, Sam Howe, the General Manager at Oatlands Golf Club here again. Just a short follow-up to the video we did last week on nearest point of relief from GUR. We had a couple of questions during the week specifically relating to where you can take the drop if that GUR is adjacent to the green. So you will see at Oatlands at the moment quite a lot of GUR like we've got here adjacent to our greens, because we've just gone through a process of replacing a lot of our collars. So you'll see we're on the 11th hole here. I've got a ball position sort of near the back of the green, and the question was that if the nearest point of relief in this situation, which it is on the green, are you entitled to take a drop in that area? The answer to that question is no. If your ball is in the general area, which is a term that was previously referred to as through the green, so basically all parts of the golf course excluding the teeing ground and green, of the hole being played and hazards, you must drop back in or take relief back into that same situation. So if you were taking relief in this situation, we can't mark our ball and take nearest point of relief here, even though that's no nearer the hole, because that's not through the green or in the general area. That's on the putting green of the hole that we're playing. We would in fact need to go back this way, all the way over here outside of the GUR, which is further away from the hole, and take our drop there. So another question that came up was around whether GUR is compulsory. So in this situation, the GUR isn't compulsory. Most of the time, GUR is not compulsory. If it is, it will be marked separately with a sign. We do have a few of our bunkers that are being refurbed at the moment that are compulsory GUR, having just had sand put in them and giving it time to settle. So in that case, you must take relief. But in the circumstance that I just gave the example of, you might decide that if the ball's here, and given that your drop to get out of the GUR is over here, and that this GUR isn't compulsory, that the best option is for you just to play the ball from where it is, because logically you're a couple of inches off the green and you can still hit a normal putt from where the ball lies, rather than having to go backwards and chip from all the way back there. So just important to keep in mind that the nearest point of relief is the main part of the criteria, but that you do have to take that relief into the same type of area from which you're taking relief from, and if that is in the general area, that has to go into the general area, which excludes you from taking relief in this situation on the putting green on the 11th here. So I hope that clarifies some of the questions from last week. Once again, if you do have any questions regarding rules or coaching that you'd like us to answer, please send them through to Jeremy Ward, our Golf Operations Manager, or myself, and we will do our best to answer them all. Thanks.